Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I change my reverse light to see better at night. I have the link of the part I use in the description below. Once the trunk is open, there are two tabs need to be pried out. Then the cover can be opened to reveal the reverse light mount. Turn the mount counterclockwise to take out the assembly. Pull out the old bulb and push in the new bulb tight. Push the assembly back into position and turn it clockwise to secure. Put the tabs back into place and we're done. Enjoy the better visibility when you reverse at night. Thanks for watching.